Hey tech enthusiasts, if you're building a PC in 2026, you'll need a solid motherboard to back up your powerhouse components. We've rounded up the top motherboards for performance, connectivity, and cutting-edge features. Let's dive in. The ASUS ROG Strix X870EE gaming Wi-Fi is an absolute powerhouse designed for high-end gamers and enthusiasts. Built for the latest AMD AM5X870 socket, it comes with 18 plus 2 plus 2 power stages for stable overclocking and superior performance. The dynamic OC switcher and Core Flex features allow you to tweak your system for maximum performance, and it supports DDR5 RAM with AEMP for optimal memory tuning. With Wi-Fi 7, PCIe 5.0, and 5XM.2 slots, it offers top-tier connectivity and storage options. Plus, the USB 4 support and AI OSing and networking give you the ultimate customizability for your gaming or content creation rig. Whether you're looking to push your system to the limit or keep it cool under pressure, this motherboard has you covered. If you want to take your build to the next level, check out the link in the description. Next up, we have the GIGABYTE B850 ASUS Elite Wi-Fi 7. This motherboard offers Wi-Fi 7, DDR5 support, and the powerful PCIe 5.0 for future-proof performance. It's built for AMD AM5LGA1718 processors and features 3XM.2 slots and USB-C for easy and fast storage options. The inclusion of 2.5G BELAN ensures you get high-speed networking, and EZ Latch makes installation a breeze. Plus, the 5-year warranty gives you peace of mind that you're investing in a long-lasting and reliable board. It's perfect for those who want a high-performance motherboard that won't break the bank, but still provides all the latest features. Interested? Check out the description for the link. The ASUS Prime B650 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard offers incredible value, especially for users with AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series CPUs. It supports DDR5 and PCIe 5.0, ensuring fast and efficient performance. With Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabit LAN, and a USB Type-C port, you're well equipped for modern connectivity. The Thunderbolt 4 header and BIOS flashback make upgrades and maintenance easy, while the SATA 6 gigabit per second ensures your storage devices run at full speed. Whether you're building a budget or mid-tier PC, this motherboard is packed with features that'll keep your system running smoothly for years to come. For more details, check the link in the description. The GIGABYTE B760MDS3HAX offers great performance for Intel users, with LGA1700 support for Intel Core processors. Featuring DDR5, PCIe 4.0, and 2XM.2 slots, this motherboard is perfect for those who want solid performance without the premium price. The Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN give you fast connectivity, while the Q-Flash Plus allows for easy BIOS updates. It's an ideal option for those who want a reliable, mid-range motherboard that can handle gaming, work, and everything in between. If this sounds like what you need, check out the link in the description. The ASUS ROG Strix B860i gaming Wi-Fi is perfect for users who want a compact mini ITX motherboard without sacrificing performance. Built for Intel Core Ultra Series 2, ready processors, it supports DDR5 memory and has a 10 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 power stage to ensure stable and efficient performance. With Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabit LAN, and Thunderbolt 4 support, it's perfect for high-speed networking and data transfer. The M.2 slot allows for fast storage, while the compact design makes it an excellent choice for small form factor builds. If you need top-tier performance in a compact package, this board is a great option. Check the link in the description for more details. So whether you're building an AMD or Intel-based rig, these motherboards offer the latest features and performance for your 2026 build. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details and grab the perfect motherboard for your needs. Happy building!